Hello friends, welcome to our channel Divyang PB09. In today's special and informative presentation, we are going to discuss one of the most important topics for India's future population growth. In this presentation, you will learn about the current population situation in India, how population growth affects our daily lives, what challenges India may face in the coming years, how population growth impacts housing, water, electricity, transportation, education, healthcare, employment, and the environment, and what steps the government and the citizens can take to manage these challenges. So stay with us until the end because this presentation will help you understand how population growth is connected to almost every aspect of our lives. Friends, India is one of the most populous countries in the world. A large population can be a great strength because it provides a large workforce, a large consumer market, and a tremendous human potential. However, when population growth becomes faster than the growth of resources and infrastructure, it can create serious challenges. One of the first factors of population growth is the increasing demand for housing. As more people are born and more families are formed, the need for homes continues to rise. To address this challenge, the government of India has launched schemes such as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which aims to provide affordable housing to eligible families in both urban and rural areas. Through such initiatives, millions of homes have been built to help meet the growing housing demand. Another major challenge is the water availability. As the population grows, the demand for drinking water, agricultural water, and industrial water also increases. In many parts of India, groundwater levels are declining and water scarcity is becoming a serious concern. To tackle this issue, the government has introduced programs such as Jal Jeevan Mission, which focuses on providing clean drinking water to households across the country. At the same time, citizens are encouraged to conserve water and support rainwater harvesting efforts. Electricity demand is also increasing rapidly. Every new home, schools, hospitals, office, and factory requires power as India's population continues to grow. Electricity consumption raises as well to meet future energy needs. The country is investing in solar energy, wind energy, and other renewable energy sources. These efforts are helping India build a more sustainable and reliable energy system for future generations. Transportation is another area heavily affected by population growth. More people mean more vehicles, more passengers, and more traffic congestion in many cities. Traffic jams have become a daily challenge to improve transportation. The government is expanding highways, expressways, railway networks, airports, and metro systems. These developments help people travel more efficiently while supporting economic growth. Friends, as the population increases, the demand for cooking fuel also raises. Millions of families need access to clean cooking energy to support households. The government launched Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, which has provided LPG connections to millions of families. In addition, India is promoting alternative fuels, ethanol, blending, electric vehicles, and clean energy technologies to reduce dependence on traditional fossil fuels and improve long term energy security. Population growth also places pressure on education systems. More children require more schools, teachers, classrooms, and learning resources. Governments and educational institutions must continue expanding educational opportunities to ensure that every child receives quality education. Similarly, healthcare systems must grow to serve larger population. More hospitals, doctors, nurses, and medical facilities are needed to provide quality healthcare services to everyone. Employment is another critical issue. Every year, millions of young people enter the workforce. If enough jobs are not created, unemployment can increases. Unemployment can increase. Therefore, governments and businesses must invest in industries, technology, entrepreneurship, manufacturing, and skill development programs to create employment opportunities for the growing population. The environment is also affected by population growth. More people generally mean higher consumption of resources, increased water waste generation, more construction activities, and greater pressure on natural ecosystems. Therefore, protecting forest, promoting clean energy, reducing population, and encouraging sustainable development are essential for maintaining a healthy environment. Friends, it is important to understand that the population itself is not necessarily a problem. The real challenge arises when population growth out outpasses the ability the availability of resources and infrastructure. With proper planning, better education, technological innovation, efficient resource management, and public awareness, a large population can become one of a country's greatest strength. India has one of the world's largest young populations, and if this demographic advantage is utilized effectively, it can contribute significantly to national development and economic growth. Finally, I would like to say that population growth is not just a stat- statistic. It is directly connected to our homes, water supply, electricity, transportation, education, healthcare, employment, and the quality of life by using resources responsibly, conserving water and energy, protecting the environment, and supporting sustainable development. We can help build a better future for ourselves and the future generations. If you found this presentation useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Divyang PP09. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions about this topic, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. Friends, welcome.